Hello everyone, Neha here. So in the last videos we have discussed about chapter 5 food and health, about different components of food, nutrients, roughage, dietary fibers, water and different 5 components, that is carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals. We have also discussed about diet, balanced diet, importance of balanced diet and the food pyramid, which is play an important role in deciding our balanced diet. Okay, so what are the things we have to take in our balanced diet according to food pyramid? As you see in the diagram here, that we have to eat this thing less and we have to eat this thing more. That is we have to eat less fats, oil, sugar and salt, meats, and we have to take alternatives of this, and we have to eat more, that is fruits and vegetables and rice. And as a rice we can take any alternative cheese. So this food pyramid tells you about which are the food items we have to take more and which are the food items we have to take less according to our body requirement. Okay, so we have to take everything in a proper calorie range. We have to take all the 5 nutrients in a proper amount, proper quantity, then only our diet will be proper diet. Okay, so now we have to continue from the part exercise and rest. As we have learned that nutrients, 5 nutrients are important, roughage, water, all these play important role. Similarly, if you want to keep your body fit, then you have to take a proper exercise, you have to do a proper physical exercise, and you have to take a proper rest. Beside eating a balanced डाइट लेने के अलावा एक्सरसाइज एंड रेस्ट आर एसेंशियल फॉर योर हेल्दी बॉडी. आपकी हेल्दी बॉडी के लिए एक्सरसाइज और रेस्ट भी बहुत एसेंशियल है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. एंड टू कीप द बॉडी फिट, अगर आप चाहते हैं आपकी बॉडी फिट रहे, हेल्दी रहे, देन इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू एक्सरसाइज, to work, to play games, and these makes our bones and muscles strong. Exercise helps improving the blood circulation. Okay, as exercise play an important role, similarly rest also is very important, as our body gets time to relax and gears up to do work. जैसे आपकी बॉडी को रिलैक्स चाहिए काम करने के लिए, और फिर वो आप दूसरे दिन आपको एनर्जी देता है, गेयर करता है, जिससे आपको और एनर्जी मिले. सो बैलेंस डाइट, रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज, इनफ रेस्ट, ऑल आर द कीज टू have a good health, to have a healthy person, to make your body fit and fine and strong. So balanced diet, a proper regular exercise, enough rest, these all are the keys to for a good health, to make your body fit and fine. Yes, so I hope you all will keep all these things in your mind and will take proper care of your health. Everyone should try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night. Sleep also helps to keep us alert and fresh. So to make your body fit, you have to take a proper care of your health. So now, if you are not taking a proper care of your health, you are not taking the proper food items that contain nutrients, all the nutrients in proper amount, quantity, you are not taking your balanced diet, proper balanced diet, then you will suffer from a disease. And a disease, what is diseases? A disease is a state in which a part of the body is no longer healthy. Disease वो state है, वो condition है जब आपका कोई भी body का part किसी भी अच्छी condition में healthy नहीं है, वो ज़्यादा देर तक healthy नहीं रह पाएगा. Okay, it can be caused because of improper diet, और ये तब होगा अगर आपने diet अच्छे से नहीं ले रहे हो, एक्सरसाइज, लैक ऑफ एक्सरसाइज प्रॉपरली नहीं कर रहे हैं, अपनी बॉडी को रेस्ट नहीं दे रहे हैं, प्रॉपर पुअर हाइजीन हो रही है आपकी बॉडी को, देन यू डेफिनेटली यू विल सफर फ्रॉम द डिसीज. सो डिसीजेज आर ऑफ कैन बी ऑफ 2 मेन टाइप. डिसीज 2 टाइप के हैं. फर्स्ट कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजेज एंड सेकेंड इज नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजेज. So let's study one by one. What are communicable diseases? In communicable diseases. What is communicable diseases? Communicable diseases mean the diseases that spread from person to person. वो disease जो एक person से दूसरे person तक spread करता है, they are known as communicable diseases. And these diseases are caused by, how they are caused? They are caused by very tiny organism called germs. ये आपको बहुत छोटे से organism से caused होता है, जिन organism को हम कहते हैं germs. And these germs cannot be seen without the help of powerful microscope. और इन germs को हम नहीं देख पाते without the help of powerful microscope. और जब तक microscope नहीं होगा, जब तक हम इन germs को properly नहीं देख पाएंगे. और ये जो germs होते हैं, इन्हें हम microorganism बोलते हैं और microbes से बोलते हैं. Okay. और जो microorganisms होते हैं, they are main 4 types, and these 4 types of microorganism microbes are bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi. So one by one we will study about more detail about all these microorganisms. Bacteria that cause such as bacteria causes diseases such as typhoid, plague, cholera, tuberculosis. All these diseases are caused by bacteria. And viruses can cause you polio, chickenpox, measles, mumps, common cold. All these are the diseases which are caused by the viruses. Then protozoa can cause diseases such as malaria, amoebic dysentery. So all these are diseases caused by the protozoa. And then fungi cause diseases such as athlete's foot and ringworm. Okay, so all these are the diseases which are caused by the, these are the subdivision, these are the subtypes of microorganisms. So microorganisms are of main 4 types. You have to remember this much only: bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi. And now the disease that is spread from one person to, वो disease जो एक person से दूसरे person spread करता है, उन्हें हम communicable डिसीजेस बोलते हैं. और ये डिसीजेस जो है टाइनी ऑर्गेनिज्म से कॉज करते हैं. एंड दैट डिसीजेस दैट कॉज by the very tiny organism, they are known as germs, and they can be only seen with the help of microscope, and they are also known as microorganism and microbes. Okay, I hope you have understood. So now we will study about diseases, and before that you can also see in the picture bacteria, the viruses looks like this, protozoa, fungi looks like this. You can see in the diagram, you can see. Now, do you know these germs can enter our body in the following ways? By different ways they enter in our body. How they enter? They consume unclean water or food. If you are consuming, if you are using, if you are taking, अगर आप unclean गंदा पानी ले रहे हो, food ले रहे हो, they will enter in your body थ्रू ओपन वुड. अगर आपको कोई चोट लग गई तो कोई भी ओपन वुड से आपकी बॉडी में चले जाएंगे. और व्हेन अ इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन कफ, कोई भी इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन उसे दे कफ और दे स्नीच, उसे कोल्ड हो रहा है, ठीक है, नज़ला हो रहा है, तो अब वो स्नीच कर रहा है, कफ कर रहा है, विदाउट कवरिंग हिज माउथ, अपना अपने माउथ को कवर करके, विदाउट हैंगी, नॉट यूजिंग एनी हैंगी, नॉट यूजिंग एनी क्लॉथ फॉर कवरिंग, नॉट यूजिंग मास्क. Okay, so what will happen? What are the germs will spread in the environment can enter the body of the healthy person also. So or mosquito bite, if any mosquito bite an unhealthy person and then it fly and then bite to a healthy person, then the infected person germs can enter in the body of the healthy person body. Okay, so it can also spread through the mosquito bite. Now another one is inhalation of the airborne germs. Inhalation of the airborne germs, what are germs which are in the environment, roaming in the environment, are around us, and we are inhaling, we are taking the breath, and then with the help of the breath respiration process, it will can enter in our body. डायरेक्ट कॉन्टेक्ट विद द इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन, यू आर विद द डायरेक्ट कॉन्टेक्ट, अगर आप कॉन्टेक्ट किसी भी इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन के कॉन्टेक्ट में है, देन यू विल सफर ऑल दिस from all these diseases. It means the germs can enter in the following ways. You have to be very careful, and you have to take precaution at every step, okay, to make you healthy. So how to prevent from these diseases? हम कैसे prevent कर सकते हैं? Communicable diseases can be contagious. but can be prevented. Contagious means can spread from one person to another, but it can be prevented. लेकिन ये prevent हो सकते हैं if we follow some guidelines. What are the guidelines you have to follow? First, you have to wash your hand. This is important before and after preparing food. You are preparing a food, just wash your hand before and after preparing food. Then before eating, you are eating the food and then you are going to the toilet, just wash your hand, and do not try to touch your eyes, nose and mouth with your hands, as that is common way germs can enter in your body. So don't touch with your dirty hand. First of all, wash your hand and then you can touch it. Touch it means that you can touch your mouth, nose, eyes, but only after washing your hands. Use a clean towel. Okay, clean cloth. Then secondly, get vaccinated. You should get vaccinated. Okay, immunization can drastically reduce. Immunization can drastically reduce the chances of contracting many diseases. If you have get a proper vaccine, then your immunity system will be get strong and it will help you in getting away from the disease. Okay, so you should make sure to keep up to date in your recompleted vaccination. So it's very necessary to take vaccination as well as to you should give, and to your known ones also, your children also, or the person, your adult, your parents, your nearby. You should guide them if they are not aware that getting vaccination, get vaccinated. It will help you in keeping your body fit away from the diseases. It will develop the quality of fighting against diseases. It will make your immunity system strong. So we should wash your hand after 10 to 15 minutes. You should get vaccinated. And thirdly, you should don't share your personal items with anyone. Don't share your toothbrush, comb, razor. Okay, all these can help you in entering the germs in your body, because any other person is using and same you are using, then what will happen, that whatever the germs will be, you are spread in the environment or spread in the food, in the object items used by the infected person can enter in your body also. Yes, so don't share. You have to not share any drinking glass, dining utensils, toothbrush and your personal item. I hope you have understood this. So now boil ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. आपको ड्रिंकिंग वाटर बॉयल गर्म पानी आपको पीना चाहिए. ठीक है. बॉयल और प्योरीफाइड ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. स्टोर वाटर इन अ क्लीन कवर्ड कंटेनर में स्टोर करके रखिए. दिस वे यू कैन नॉट गेट इन्फेक्टेड बाय डिसीजेज स्प्रेड बाय इन्फेक्टेड ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड नाउ. और what you can do, you can you know that mosquito breathe in stagnant water. जो भी रुका हुआ पानी होता है उसमें क्या होता है, मॉस्किटो दे स्टार्ट ब्रीथिंग. yes, and then you have to remove water from water coolers when they are not in use. जब वो यूज में नहीं है तो आपको अपना वाटर को वाटर कूलर से हटाना है. यूज इंसेक्ट रिपेल्टेंट टू कीप मॉस्किटोज अवे. और आपको इंसेक्ट पेस्टिसाइड्स डालने होंगे आपको. ठीक है. आपको उनकी मेडिसिन डालनी पड़ेंगी, स्प्रे डालने पड़ेंगी. दैट विल हेल्प यू टू किल, दैट विल किल द मॉस्किटोज स्प्रे. ठीक है. इंसेक्ट स्प्रे. देन यूज these स्प्रे बिकॉज इट विल हेल्प to keep the mosquitoes away. Okay, so some people are very sensitive to certain drugs like food, animalistic drug. Exposure to such substances often make them sneeze. होता है ऐसा, कभी कभी बहुत सेंसिटिव हो जाते हैं कुछ ड्रग्स के सामने. अगर वो किसी फूड से एलर्जी होती है, किसी परफ्यूम से एलर्जी होती है, किसी ड्रग से एलर्जी होती है. ठीक है. कोई एनिमल को देख के एलर्जी हो जाती है, किसी फ्लावर से होती है. तो डिफरेंट पीपल हैव डिफरेंट एलर्जी प्रॉब्लम विद डिफरेंट food items, things. Okay, so exposure to such substance often make them sneeze. इससे क्या होता है, उन्हें sneeze होने लगता है, develop rashes हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. and this is known as allergy. So you should wash your hand before and after eating. You should drink boiled water. You should take all the precaution to keep your body healthy and fit. Okay, so in the next video we will continue about non-communicable disease. Thank you.